Hello and welcome back. Today we're looking at the best Cowrywise ways to track your net worth. What is your real number? And how do you track your net worth? You see, network isn't just for the wealthy, it's your ultimate financial report card. And Cowrywise can be your core hub. All your cash savings can be in your plans, and all your investments, that is your wealth, are here in Cowrywise, and they'll give you a clear view of your liquid assets. On the first day of each quarter, take a screenshot of your Cowrywise dashboard total. Manually add the value of your other assets like properties and subtract liabilities like loans in a simple note. Then track your trend. Focus on your growth. The excitement isn't your total, it is the curve. Is the line going up quarter after quarter? That is the power of consistent saving and investing via Cowrywise. You cannot improve what you cannot measure or what you do not measure. Take your first financial snapshot today. Open Cowrywise, note down that total, and let's grow it together. Smash the like button if you are on a net worth journey in this year. See you in the next video.